The coin that we're talking about is a coin called Trustwallet token. If you're into crypto, I'm sure you already know about the Trustwallet, but you may have not known that they actually have a Trustwallet token. So what exactly is Trustwallet token? Trustwallet token is a simple BP20 utility token that provides a range of benefits and incentives to Trustwallet users. Trustwallet itself is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that supports dozens of popular native assets in addition to popular tokens on the Ethereum, Binance, and Tron blockchains. Holders of TWT tokens unlock a variety of benefits when using Trustwallet, including discounts on in-app cryptocurrency purchases and on the use of decentralized exchange services. TWT holders can also participate in the governance of Trustwallet and can vote on Trustwallet update proposals, helping to shape the development of the app. So that is the CoinMarketCap definition, a quick summary of what exactly the Trustwallet token is. And there's also the Trustwallet app that you can download on your phone through iPhone, Google Play, or whatever type of phone that you have. So as of today, December the 13th, 2021, guys, we are going to get this crypto money. We're going to get this long-term crypto money, all right? Put a smile on your face. Put a smile on your face. I know it's hard. It's boring. We don't know if Bitcoin is going to go up, if it's going to go down. It's just moving sideways. But think long-term. Look at the bigger picture. So as of today, Trustwallet token is currently at 268 on CoinMarketCap. It is on 109,563 watch list. Current price is at 75 cents. Market cap is at 262 million. Volume is at 10.6 million. And circulating supply is currently at 346 million. Now when you look at the all-time high, you can see that the all-time high was actually back on September 9th, 2021, 3 months ago, at $1.67, and it's been down 54% since then. Now, the exchanges that it's on Binance, it's on KuCoin, it's on Gate.io, pancakeswap, BitTrue, and all these other exchanges, including Hotbit and all these other exchanges. Now, this is actually their Twitter page, the current Twitter page. The one that CoinMarketCap has, I don't know why they haven't synced it up, but this is the live actual Twitter page. So as you can see, their Twitter page is currently has 1.4 million followers. Yes. And then it's a verified Twitter page. Like I say, if you are into crypto, then most likely you've heard of the Trustwallet. So here's the Twitter page, very active, as you know. And there's no question about if this is a legit project or not. It's a legit project. I don't even have to raise that question. But always look at the Twitter page, the Reddit page, the Telegram, the Discord, and try to find out as much info as you can about any project that you're looking into investing, and only invest what you're willing to lose. But this one right here, guys, it's a long-term project. It's a legit project. There's no question about it. And another reason why it's so legit, let me show you.